My name is Jay Miller. I graduated from Ohio Media School in November of 2020. Currently, I'm an instructor's assistant here at OMS, as well as working as a board operator for WNIR in Akron. So the reason I came to Ohio Media School is because I knew I always wanted to start a career in radio. I've always been a big fan of radio growing up and knew that one day I wanted to be on air because I just love entertaining people. And I saw an ad for Ohio Media School, and that made me kind of more interested and looked into it more. And that's how I got signed up to be here. So my favorite part about going through Ohio Media School was all the hands-on stuff we got to do here. With the radio stations that they have here, I was actually able to get experience with running my own radio station and operating the board. It's real life experience and stuff that's helped me out tremendously after I graduated. So anyone that's currently going here to Ohio Media School and people that go in the future, just take in everything you can here, learn everything you can, absorb everything that the school offers you, because all these things going forward is going to help you with a job, looking for a job. When I got hired at WNIR, I got hired because I had experience with the board because I was so hands-on with it by doing our own show here on the radio station at the school.